This video will demonstrate how to get the end-of-weld results for the GSX using explicit Ethernet IP messaging. For this example, Rockwell Automation Studio 5000 Logix Designer is used, and the GSX EDS file has been installed. In the controller organizer tree, a subroutine for getWeld results has been created. An instruction can be created in the getWeld results subroutine for messaging to get the end-of-weld energy and weld time. The weld energy indicates how many joules of energy were used in the last weld, and the weld time indicates how many seconds the ultrasonics were on. The object class and attribute ID for the last weld results can be found in the GSX Ethernet IP user guide. In this example, the object ID is 88 and the attributes for weld time and energy are 10 and 11, respectively. To start, a run and contacts are added to the subroutine to initiate the get message request. An enable get weld results contact is first added. The ready state bit from the GSX is added in series. When this bit transitions from false to true, the GSX has completed a weld cycle, and the last weld results can be requested by messaging. Next, a message to request weld time is added. For the service type message, select Get Attribute Single. Enter 88 for the class and 10 for the attribute ID. The instance is always 1 for the last weld. For the destination element, create a tag for weld time. Be sure to check the GSX Ethernet IP user guide for the data type. In this case, the data type is real. For communications, browse to the Ethernet location of the GSX. Select OK and close. Create a similar message for weld energy. The attribute ID for weld energy is 11. Create a tag for weld energy. For energy, the tag data type is real. Configure the communication and select OK. This completes the example tutorial on how to get the end-of-weld results using Ethernet IP messaging. This program and other example programs can be downloaded from the Branson GSX website.